there's several maintenance tasks that you can do in order to make sure that you're getting the most out of the chlorine that you're putting in the pool. First and foremost, brushing and vacuuming, while they may not be a lot of fun, are important parts to pool care. Brushing and vacuuming will move contaminants around, get them circulating in the water, help your filter be more effective, help disperse chemicals. It's something that needs to be done on a weekly basis. In addition to that, keeping your filter clean is also a great way to make sure you get the most that you can out of your chlorine residual. Chlorine that passes through a dirty filter is going to try to break down any contamination that it might find on its way through. Keeping the filter clean means chlorine can pass through, go back into the water, and focus on doing what it's best at, killing bacteria. So make sure you're cleaning the filter with something like Filter Perfect on a regular basis. Make sure that you're keeping the water balanced. Make sure you're brushing and vacuuming. These are all things that will lead to an effective pool care program. In addition, if you have a salt pool, make sure that you're keeping the salt cell clean. If you're getting scale built up inside the cell, it's not going to be efficient or effective at creating the chlorine you need to maintain your residual. So clean the cell on a regular basis, inspect it on a regular basis, make sure that it's free of scale and buildup so that it can be as efficient as possible, creating the chlorine that you need to sanitize the pool.